Purchasing USDT with a credit card is relatively straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process of buying USDT using your credit card. To begin, you'll need to visit any cryptocurrency platform. Let's start by searching for Binance on Google. Once you've found Binance, navigate to Binance.com. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one. After creating your account, log in. Upon logging in, you'll see various options, including deposit. Click on Deposit. This action will direct you to a new page where you'll need to enter the amount of USDT you wish to purchase. For example, if you want to buy USDT worth $100, simply enter 100. You'll notice that for $100, you'll receive 95 USDT. Proceed by clicking on Verify and Buy. However, before completing the purchase, your account needs verification. Click on Verify and Buy to initiate the verification process, which typically involves providing your ID card. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to proceed with the purchase using your credit card. Ensure your account is verified to facilitate payment via credit card. That's essentially how you can buy USDT with a credit card. I hope you find this guide helpful.